This evening, Prime Minister defends public sector compensation reclassification amidst looming wide-scale protest. Tourists among travelers complaining at both airports as air traffic controllers protest faulty work equipment. And later, Manchester police combing video footage for suspects in last week's mob killing.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your fondest memories of veteran broadcaster, journalist and playwright Barbara Gludon? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.